Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally reorganizing all of the nail polishes I had from my hoard. I have this white container from the Dollar Tree and it was only $1, so that was super cheap. And I have a blue container that I was already holding on to. So what I'm going to do there is just wipe down the blue container and then put some of my not so average nail products in there. So starting with the blue container, the first thing I grabbed is this is a liquid latex. This is something that I use around my nails to clean up any messes. I don't use it super often. There's also a hollow bar glitter kind of nail polish in there. I leaned the clear container against a candle jar for stability, got peel off base coat, and then a finger paints gel polish, some gel polishes that I bought from Wish, and then I have the Born Pretty top coat, nail oil, the Born Pretty base coat, Seche Vite, that's a glossy top coat. And I'm grabbing a gel polish from a kit that I bought at CVS. Here I am grabbing my cuticle remover, and then in the blue container putting in any specialty nail polishes or minis or like interesting finishes. Like I have some hollow top coats, there are some mini little baby sample kind of size polishes, some really interesting colors in the blue container. And then to the right, I'm just placing colors that I am more likely to grab towards. But as you can see, I have some Nicole minis. There's another gel polish going into the left container. I have a Hello Kitty collection OPI polish. There's a pink hollow, I do use that pretty often. Some creme colors. Oop, I knocked that over. That's another bar hollow glitter. I have a gel-like regular top coat, a white, and there's a bunch of elf minis. Just grabbing my last two gel polishes and just showing what's in the container. Cuticle remover, nail oil, peel off base coat, Seche Vite, Born Pretty base coat, Born Pretty top coat, and that's what's in this container for the most part. And I'm just going to grab my two favorite black nail polishes from China Glaze and Finger Paints and keep those to the side so they don't get lost in a sea of other nail polishes. Putting other random colors to the right here, just trying to decide what I really want to keep in this blue container separate from the rest. And then I think what I'm going to do is just kind of keep the rest loose around the containers in the drawer. And so just grabbing the rest of my polishes here. That was a blue top coat, that's a nude. That's an essence polish. Here's a glow in the dark polish from Claire's. One of those cute little snowman polishes that's scented. Then I realized there wasn't quite enough room for everything in here. So I realized that if I put the little mini polishes on top of the liquid latex, because the lid of the blue container fits and stands a little bit higher than the actual lip of the container, they fit a lot better after I put them in there like that, and that gave me more room to arrange some of the other polishes in this container. But what I actually ended up doing was throwing the minis in between the tops of the big bottles. I have some nail glitter here. I'm gonna put that in here because it just kind of stands out. I don't have much that goes with it. And then closing the lid on that container, putting it on top of my laptop for some reason. And then there's another gel polish I seem to have missed, that Scoundrel. All of those are together. We're gonna put those containers there, and then we're gonna sort through the rest of this polish. So here's the actual bucket that I keep my nail polishes in. I just pulled this up to the desk to wipe it out a bit, get it cleaned out, and yeah, it's a Sterilite container with tape on it from when I moved. It was free, so I'm not gonna complain too much. And here I'm taking out my nail lamp to clean the drawer so I can keep my nail lamp and my gel polishes and top coats and stuff together. So just taking everything out of the drawer, I'm gonna wipe it down, shake any excess dust or any debris that's in it. I know it's debris, I just like saying debris. So taking that drawer, and after we wipe it down here, just putting everything back in after that, and that drawer we're gonna put the nail lamp back into, along with the clear container for the gel polishes and accessories, and of course the cord to the UV lamp and anything else that just seems like it would fit there. And now I'm taking that drawer and putting it back in the organizer, and then taking the other drawer that I had originally. I'm just going to wipe that drawer out as well so we can put in the other nail polishes. So here I'm just shaking out any dust or anything like that, and then putting in the container of specialty nail polishes towards the back. And then among the front, that's like nail files, cotton pads, some other miscellaneous things, soaking off gel polish, those kind of things. And just trying to make this fit the best I can. Because I also have dip powder. That was already in a container like that, so that wasn't something that was new. That's actually where I got the idea from to put the gel polishes, was from my dip powders. And then on the side here, just gonna put all of my other nail polish colors, just kind of loose and easy to grab because those are colors that I use more often. And off to the side here I have some pointy Q-tips for cleaning up around the cuticles. There's some nail swatch wheels as well that I've been keeping in with my other accessories, and I'm putting that container back into the organizer. And then I had an absolutely brilliant idea to take my drawer with my gel polishes and my nail lamp, put the nail polish remover in there. But guess what? It doesn't fit, so maybe that wasn't the best idea. But we'll try something else. So my nail polish remover ended up homeless and shoved in the corner because none of the drawers were big enough, and so I decided to pull out my dip powder kit and do my own nails that way. So yeah, that's about it. I have reorganized my nail polish drawers, just arranging a couple things in this cleaned out candle jar I have here. There's some facial serum that ended up in my stuff somehow. Don't ask me, I have no idea. But other than that, I know it looks like my desk is messy, but it's because I got nail polish on it, and I'm just taking a microfiber cloth to wipe off the top of the desk for what dust and dip powder residue is there. And that's it. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you can. Thanks!